All right, off we go. Good morning. Just going in town, craving a bloody pie. Oh, another beautiful day. Perfect day for a bike ride. Not sure what order this video will be in. It's got me Pack Talk Edge now, and start recording my voice on the GoPro. Much quieter. Can't hear the wind, and you can't really hear the bike noise either. Guys, you're very slow. Not even on his P's or his L's. His K's now. Bet he'll, once he gets to the overtaking lane, he'll speed up to 100. Yeah, just leisurely cruising. Well, sees the overtaking lanes coming on. I wonder if he's going to start speeding up. That's what they usually do. They're like, oh, I'm going to drive 80 k's on the road, but I'm going to go to 110 as soon as we hit the overtaking lane. Because I can't have anyone overtake me. We wouldn't want that, would we? Oh, wow, someone who actually stayed the speed limit they were going. That's fucking crazy. Seen that? Not even once. You gonna come back in, or what are you doing, mate? Well, off you go then. Right, checking my mirrors, making sure no one's coming up behind me. Do my head check. Hit that bump. Now we're just cruising on in. I wonder who's riding. Will they wave? Who knows? Nah, no wave. Maybe a bit of a half of a head nod. Nice car. Fair few of them around here. Style with the chrome everywhere. They look good. Checking mirrors. Head check. Half a tank of fuel. Bit of pie. Pie is cheaper. Think about getting some fish and chips maybe. But pie is cheaper. Nope, now we're down to a quarter tank. Oh, I guess we'll get some fuel. Down in the fifth, down to 6. Going across the bridge to get over to Grafton, because that's where Hanks is. Hanks has the best pies. They're a little bit expensive. Stopping, we're in first and we're going it again. Okay, we're going out of the exit, back into fourth. And fourth is where we can keep it. We can go up to about 60 k's in fourth. Probably go up to about 80 k's in fourth, but it starts sounding a bit bad once it gets up that high. It's meant to be revved that much. Visor up. It's bloody hot today. It's not that bad, but oh, it's nice to have a bit of breeze. I don't know how much the wind interferes. I don't think it's too much. Pack talk things are pretty good. I'll have to see how good it is in a group ride at some point. I know that my fellow employee at work has one, but We'll have to see. Tested it out. Red light, so we're checking behind us. Going down to third. Right, we're making sure, okay, so the guy behind is going into the next lane. It's fine, this guy's paying attention, yep. Checking left and right, no one's coming to get us. We'll stick in third. Manhole cover, and then there'll be another one. Yep, there's the other one. Dodging them. Going down to second for this roundabout. Making sure this guy behind me knows. Back into first. Stopped. Because this guy's turning. Not messing with him. He's turning. He's going through. And off we go. Attention. Staff. No one's turning off. No one's turning. Coming up to the roundabout. 40 area. Going down to third. That guy's got his blinker on, but he's going slow, so we've got plenty of time. Indicate out. Watch out for this guy. He's fine. He sees me. Where am I going again? Oh, I should have turned left at some point. Now we can just go right through the middle of the town. This guy. This guy. Go right over the manhole cover. Someone's at the thing there. Line up just in case they don't see me. Someone else coming across the crossing.